Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below as well as the notification bell beside that so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have another Misfits unboxing for you. My box was late. It's supposed to come on Saturday. It did not come. It came today, which is Wednesday. They had a thing on their site saying that they were moving to a new warehouse. So expect 2 to 3 days delay. When I got it today, the FedEx guy that delivered it did not ring the doorbell. I had no clue it was out there. It was warm outside. It's summertime and it's still hot here in Georgia. It's cooled off some, but it's still hot as hell. And he didn't ring the doorbell, so it's just sitting out there. I don't know for how long. And I left to go to my PO box and saw it sitting over there and got it. Usually FedEx sends you an email message where I didn't get the notification. I may have, but I wasn't watching my phone because I was working. However, I picked it up, ants everywhere. I was livid. You hear me? Like every cuss word, because I'm a cusser. Every cuss word that could come out my mouth came out my mouth. I was hot. Because that means I couldn't bring the shit in the house and open it up, because it was filled with ants. So I set it in my garage on my deep freezer, went and ran my errands to the post office and to pick up some supplies I had ordered for my Etsy shop. Link below if you want shirts, t-shirts. This one I can't sell because, you know, copyright, but shirts. And when I got back, you know, I hit it before I left and killed all the ants. I got back, I did it again, thinking, you know, maybe I can get them out of there. But I was like, no, I'm not going to take that in my house. So I went and got some scissors, opened up the box, ants. I had to take everything out, put it in the bag, make sure it was ants on it, bring it in the house, wash it off, spray the box down, and put the box in my recycle bin. And now I'm here to do my unboxing. I'm pissed. If you can't tell, I am ranting and raving, but I'm pissed. And I'm going to send FedEx and Misfits a nice little email letting them know when you deliver a package, ring the freaking doorbell. It's food. It's summertime. It's crazy. Ugh. But anyway, I had a box from last time that I had not broken down yet. In my garage. Sometimes I break them down, sometimes I don't, because I've been saving boxes because I think I'm going to sell my house and move. I think, not sure, but so I've been saving boxes. But I have a box thing where I have all my boxes where I've moved over the past few years, and I have them in this thing in my garage. So I save some of them if they're not, you know, too messed up from moisture or whatever. I save my Amazon good boxes too. I break them down and put them on the thing that I have in the ceiling to save my boxes so that when I move again, don't have to pay for moving boxes if the company's not gonna move me. But anyway, you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my Misfits box. I did all my ranting and raving for almost 4 minutes. Then stay tuned. Let me change my camera angle. So like I said, I washed all my vegetables off from hoping no ants are on them. Praying I'm gonna put them back in and wash them off again and cut them up and do everything today and prepare them because yeah, ants, no. But anyway, in the package today we got the grilled zucchini and stone fruit with lemon yogurt sauce. I don't know what that is. I don't even know what stone fruit is, but anyway, this is what we got. I don't know if it's some kind of tart or just cut up. I don't know, but I checked this out. I can't never get this right on the camera because I'm not good with this. But anyway, and it's raining, guys. It's just started raining because it's so hot, and then those storms coming up from Texas and New Orleans and stuff, we're getting the rain from it. But anyway, this is the recipe in case any of you guys want it. Screenshot it right here, and here is the back. I hope that's clear enough for you guys to see it. But anyway, I'm not good with that. But here you go. That's the back side of it. Anyway, no more of that because it's frustrating to me. The marketplace, new things that they're selling in the marketplace, I guess, for the month of, I don't know if it's August or they gone to September, but anyway, bread and butter. So they're showing bread, butter, dates, corn, late July chips, which I love those. And $2.19, that's a good price because they're $2.99 in the grocery store. So that's a good price unless they don't sale. Usually when they're on sale, they on sale 2 for $5, so that's still better. So I might start ordering it from them, the vegan ones. I like those a lot. But I buy the big multigrain ones from Costco, which is way cheaper than buying these little small bags, which I love those too with salsa. Anyway, that's it for the inserts. So I got some collards, and this time I got really big leaves of collards. Usually they're smaller. They're starting to turn yellow, so I will cook them probably today. Like I said, I'm going to prepare all these and just cook them up. Probably do a meal prep for the rest of the week. Today is Wednesday. I might edit this video and put it up today, and then I might do a meal prep for you guys, if not today or tomorrow. So I got greens. I got dino kale, which is also one of the leaves is turning. Probably where it was set out in that hot sun. But the rest of them look really good. They're really dark leafy green. These are what I'm growing in my garden. I can't wait. I tried to grow them over the summer, but I think it was too hot. So I just replanted some more in my garden because my garden, everything, the bugs had ate up all the summer stuff. So now I'm starting my fall garden. So I have dino kale. I think this is some kind of Swiss chard. Let's see what it says. Red chard, yep. So I've been ordering this every week and haven't gotten it. We have a few leaves on here that looks a hot mess, but I'm going to wash it, clean it, cut it up today, and put it in my greens as well with my collards. I'm put all of them in there together. And this is a green chard as well. This one was Swiss and this one was green. I know I ordered both of those because they had a bunch of stuff this week that I didn't want, so I made sure I try to order a bunch of greens. So red chard and green chard. So order all of that. And then I ordered another cauliflower because I was going to make the cauliflower recipe for you guys. I thought I had made it last time I got cauliflower and I hadn't made it. And my cauliflower was about to go bad, so I had to cook it, and I didn't have time to make a video because I was studying. And this thing isn't focusing. There it goes. So I got a head of cauliflower. I got 4 yellow onions because I always use onions in everything I make. I did order those. I got 1 white onion, and then I got 1 green pepper. I don't know if I ordered this or not, because I got green peppers that I have frozen in the freezer, so I don't think I ordered this. I probably ordered a red onion. I don't know. I don't know why I got this, but I leave what I ordered up there in the box so you can see, because I don't know. I ordered these things. They look like plums almost. What's the name of them? Oh, it's so small I can't see it. But I've never eaten these before, but they look just like, they look like plums, but they're a different color. What's the name of them? They had a funny name, but every week they kept coming up on my thing to order. So I said I'm just gonna order them and try them. I'm sure they taste like plums because that's what they look like. So we'll see. I'm gonna try one and see. And I've already washed all this stuff off, but I'm gonna wash it off a little bit better. And then I got 3 plums. So I didn't get a lot of fruit this week like I normally do. I just got plums and whatever those other things are. And I got a bunch of potatoes. And I think I ordered 2 different kinds of potatoes. So I got 4 of each because I love potatoes. As I told y'all, I don't need them, but I love them. So I ordered them. I made some homemade hash browns the other day, and they were so delicious. And I made a bunch of them, and then I just put them individually wrapped in a little freezer bags with a parchment paper in between them. So when I want one, I just get one out and you just pop it in the toaster oven or your toaster like you do regular hash browns if you buy those little square ones. I made mine round, and then I just have them to eat whenever. So yeah, if you're interested in that, maybe I'll do a video on it. Just comment below and let me know. That's all I got in my package. I got 8 potatoes, 2 different kinds. You can tell that they're different, but hell, they may be the same for all I know. But that's it. Now I'm going, for real, I throw that box in the trash because I should have been already in the trash, but it wasn't. So again, I got my chard, my collards, my dino kale, my cauliflower, all of my potatoes, and then I got onions. I'm so happy that I got all of these onions because usually they just send you 2. And I got five onions. So I'm very, very excited about that. My green pepper, and then whatever they are, I'll leave it on the screen what they are because I can't remember. It was some name I just never heard of, so I didn't know what they were. Yeah. And this is it. So a green chard, red chard, collard greens, dino kale, 2 types of potatoes, 2 types of onions, some plums, a green pepper, some cauliflower, and these things. I should eat one now, wash it off and eat it and see what it tastes like. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.